If you're using a CapCut on your phone and want to make sure your audio is perfectly synced with your video, you're in the right place. Today I'll show you how to sync audio with video in CapCut step by step. So let's get started. First, open the CapCut app. Now tap on New Project to start a new video editing. Now import your video and audio files. Select your video from your gallery and tap Add, then on the audio option at the bottom, choose sounds or extract it to add your audio file. Once both files are imported, you will see the timeline. Make sure the video and audio starts at the same point. To sync your audio with your video, you might need to adjust the position of the audio file. Tap and hold the audio track and drag it left or right to align it with the video. Look for visual cues in the video such as lip movements and match them with the corresponding audio. For more precise adjustments, zoom in on the timeline by pinching the screen. This will give you a closer view of the audio waveframes and video frames, making it easier to sync them perfectly. Once you think you've got the audio and video sync, play back your project to check. If it's not quite right, make small adjustments until the audio matches the video project perfectly. Now, if your audio or video files are longer than needed, you can simply split and delete or split and trim them. Tap on the clip, select split, and then delete unnecessary parts like this. After syncing your audio and video, you can add final touches like transition, effects, or text. Once you're happy with the project, tap on export button at the top right to save your final video. And that's it. You've successfully synced your audio with your video in CapCut on your phone.